Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. In this video we will discuss about developmental anomalies of external ear. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. First condition is preauricular sinus. You can see in this image. Preauricular sinus is a common birth defect that may be seen during a routine exam of a newborn. It generally appears as a tiny skin-lined hole or pit, often just in front of upper ear, where the cartilage of the ear meets the face. It may occur on one side unilateral or both sides bilateral of the ear. This defect present due to failure of fusion of first and second arc, failure of first and second arc, और इसकी लोकेशन क्या होगी? Between tragus and helix, between the tragus and helix, as you can see in the image. और अगर ये infected हो जाता है, this area, if it gets infected, then surgery needed. We have to remove by the surgery. अगली कंडीशन है कोल ऑरल फिस्टुला. इसमें क्या होता है? एबनॉर्मल कनेक्शन बिटवीन ईएसी, एक्सटर्नल ऑडिटरी कैनाल एंड नेक. यू कैन सी द इमेज. इट इज abnormal connection between EAC and neck. And external opening between angle of mandible and SCM. Internal opening, floor of external auditory canal, and if it gets infected, surgical excision is needed. अगली कंडीशन है एनोटिया. It means absence of pinna, congenital absence of pinna. अगली कंडीशन है cleft pinna, congenital fissure of pinna. In this condition, cleft at the superior portion of the pinna. Next condition is coloboma lobuli. This is congenital fissure of ear lobule और ear lobe. और पिछली कंडीशन में क्या था? क्लेफ्ट पिना में कंजेनिटल फिशर ऑफ पिना, और इस कंडीशन में क्या है? फिशर ऑफ ईयर लोब. अगली कंडीशन है मैक्रोटिया. इट मीन्स एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ द ऑरिकल. यू कैन सी दिस इज द सर्जिकल रिपेयर फ्रॉम दिस कंडीशन, एनलार्जमेंट टू स्मॉल ईयर. दिस इज कंजेनिटल एक्सेसिव एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ ऑरिकल. अगली कंडीशन है माइक्रोटिया. Microtia means congenital small pinna. You can see this image. Spectrum of microtia severity. Least severe to most severe. Grade 1, Grade 2, Grade 3 and Grade 4. In Grade 1, the ear is small but still looks like an ear because most normal features are present. And the Grade 2, some normal features are present but the upper ear is severely deficient. Canal may be present or absent. Grade 3, a small piece of cartilage is present Just above the earlobe, which is displaced upward and forward, the canal is almost always absent. And grade 4, anochia, which is absence of ear, when there is complete absence of ear and the canal. अगली condition है melothea. Melothea means congenital displacement of auricle of the ear. You can see the image. Low set ears also present in this condition. Congenital displacement of auricle of the ear. Ugly condition है low set ears. You can see the image. Normal developed outer ear and abnormal size, shape, rotation or location of pinna. These are low set ears. See. The difference. These are low set ears. Congenitally displaced pinna. अगली condition है polyothea. It means additional pinna on one or both sides present. You can see this additional pinna. Polyothea. It can be on one side or both sides, unilateral or bilateral. अगली condition है preauricular tags. It means small appendage anterior to pinna. Presence of any small appendage which is anterior to pinna. You can see this image. Preauricular tags are epithelial mounds or pedunculated skin that arise near the front of the ear around the tragus. As you can see the image, they have no bony, cartilaginous or cystic components and do not communicate to the ear canal or middle ear. This is only external appendage. Next condition is scroll ear. It means hallux of pinna is rolled forward and inward, as you can see the image. Hallux of pinna is rolled forward and inward. Scroll ear, this is the birth defect in which outer portion of the ear curls inwards towards the individual's head. Plastic otoplasty is highly effective in treating scroll ear by pulling the displaced cartilage back into its original position. I hope you like this video. This is my first English video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.